Hey guys, so today I wanted to share a new website with you guys. It's not print on demand, but it is a great site for you. It almost reminds me of no, it's a great site where you can purchase products that are like promotional products for your business. And hey guys, so today I want to talk about a new website called OpenTip. But before we get into that video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So I have a few shirts here from OpenTip that I'm excited to give away to some of my followers. So if you wear a size medium or large, I want you to put a comment down in the description box. Put it Make sure you comment down below with why you want a shirt. I'll make sure I show you guys the shirt, and it'll just be put a comment down below why you should win this shirt, and I'll make sure I ship it out to you. So OpenTip.com has no setup fees, so that's awesome. You can get learning resources. They're great for getting marketing tools, and they have a range of products from food supplies to kitchen tools. They have kids' career costumes, and they are based in the USA. So they are actually in Massachusetts. So they have health supplies, pet supplies, office products, toys and games, sports items. They even have the food bags. I know a lot of different businesses use these type of bags for their business. If you guys like to sell those drinks, they have these drink bags that you can customize. So they have so many different products and shipping supplies and labels that you can also look at. We're going to go ahead and click the new arrivals tab and see what they have in store. They have some really nice bags. They have overalls, socks, flip-flops. They even have some sneakers. And then they have they have, is these the military patches? Oh. And they have handcuffs. So many different items that you can get here from OpenTip. Oh, is that the bride of Chucky, Tiffany? So cute. All right, they even have a Halloween sale. So lots of makeup, costumes, party supplies, candy that you can get. I'm definitely going to look on here for a Oktoberfest costume. I'm going to an event, so I'm going to need something for Oktoberfest. So I'll see if I can find something. If not, I'll make sure I grab something from OpenTip to get for my kids for a costume this year. I'm super excited about Halloween. I know they might be getting a little bit too old to dress up, but hey, we gotta have some fun somewhere, all right? So if you guys would like to check out OpenTip, I'll leave a link down below in the description box for you guys to sign up and check out some of their products. See if this website is right for you. If not, you can get things like hand sanitizer or other products for your business if you don't need it for promotional or marketing tools. Still a great website to check out to get party supplies, or even things for your dog. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these shirts, and I'll talk to you guys in the next clip.